Now.
Yeah, we can't.
You guys can have a seat.
We can't hear
big shake. Big shake.
All right, shake your hands. Shake your heads. Shake your body. Shake your legs. Okay, I think we're ready. We're going to shout Merry Christmas after 3. 1, 2, 3.
I think I've blown a fuse.
Chris, are you setting things on fire?
I think our community champion, John, there's one thing I'd like to hear from him. You know the Noddy Holder song, the Slade song, Merry Christmas Everybody, where it goes, "It's Christmas!" You know the bit, don't you, John? I would love to hear your version of that, because you were doing it side stage, and I was howling. It's the bit from Noddy Holder, "It's Christmas!" when you're ready. It's Christmas! Oh, you are much better backstage, man.
I think we are ready to switch our Christmas lights on. So we are going to count down from 10. Are we ready, everybody?
Are we ready?
Here we go. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas, Middlesbrough! Wow, what about that? It is Christmas in the Beret!